Giaan Rooney, a very proud BIG4 Holiday Parks ambassador, and today we're at the Gold Coast BIG4 Holiday Park where I'm going to teach you about a few recipes as part of our Healthy Holidays promotion that are quick, easy, affordable and importantly tasty for your whole family, and you can use them on the camp kitchens at any of the BIG4 holiday parks. Okay, so one of my first recipes is actually for vegetable fritters. They're healthy and they're tasty and they're delicious and they're really, really simple to make. So first of all, I've got some mashed chickpeas, which I'm just going to add to the bowl, as well as some panko breadcrumbs. Over here, we've got some grated carrot, our grated zucchini, and just a few ingredients to make it a little bit tasty as well. So this is actually garlic powder, which will add a nice bit of zing. Salt and pepper, can never have too much salt and pepper. Bit of salt, just to give it some flavour. And this one I like, this is actually a bit of dried basil that's been cut up as well. Goes a long way for colour and flavour. Okay, now for me, we head on over to actually the cooking part, but first I'm going to stick my fingers in, get a little bit dirty, make sure you get in there with all of your ingredients and mix them up well. Okay, we've got our eggs now, so we just mash it up with your hands to make a nice consistency. You want it sticky but not too wet, so get in there. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. So now we've prepared our fritters. To actually get the cooking part underway, I like to use an oil spray rather than oil. Just easy, quick, and you get the right amount that you need. So spray that directly onto the barbecue tray. And then it's time to cook our fritters.